सीएसके जिस तरह से हार रही है ना, वो एक प्रिपेयर्ड टीम नहीं लग रही है.
Watch out for some kind of crazy picks from me because that's the only way I can catch up with Uday.
One suggestion to Anand: play like Dhoni. Take the match as deep as possible.
अगर आप भी है फैंटेसी क्रिकेट के फैंस तो आइए हमारे साथ और खेलिए सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी और जीतिए 50,000 तक के प्राइजेस. For more details, log on to spk.crickbattle.com and you can also catch this as a podcast on Studio Scoops Official. दोस्तों, इंडियन T20 लीग में क्वालिफायर्स का दौर खत्म हो चुका है and we finally have our top 4 teams for this year. अब सवाल यह है कि कौन जीतेगा इस साल का T20 टाइटल. इसके बारे में हम डिटेल में चर्चा करेंगे जुमलेबाजी में, लेकिन आइए अभी के लिए देखते हैं कि हमारा कौन सा खिलाड़ी इस हफ्ते का वीकली कॉन्टेस्ट जीत रहा है. उदय बांस, स्पोर्ट्स ऑफ सिरोही इज 7,309.5 पॉइंट.
मेरे तुक्के चल जाते हैं तो चल जाता. आज मेरे तुक्के चले नहीं. आज पडिक्कल नहीं था, आज ईशान किशन नहीं था, सो वो डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. तो जब तक चल रहा है तब तक चल रहा है.
I mean, the saddest part here is Anand's 2x game versus Udayban's 2x game. I think that says a lot about.
That's the exact lead right now, Yashwant. The lead between him and me is 650 points. I covered 250 points on him and he covered 1,000 points on me in that. So that difference is exactly what the 2x game was.
अभी आखिरी की 4 मैचेस में there are no frills attached. It's basically 4 games which can change everything. और तुम दोनों में पॉइंट्स का बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस भी नहीं है. Is there going to be a specific strategy which is going to come into play? आनंद, उदयबान, मैं दोनों से पूछ रहा हूँ.
Udayban leads me by 650 points at this stage with 4 matches to go. You know, that's a mammoth lead. But if I break it down in 4 matches, it only sounds like, okay, 150 per match kind of a thing. So I try to make myself feel better that way. Watch out for some kind of crazy picks from me because that's the only way I can catch up with Uday.
आनंद is playing really well. आनंद का क्या होता है ना, अगर 4 पॉइंट का भी डिफरेंस होगा ना तो आनंद कवर कर लेगा. तो मुझे टेंशन है कि 4 में 6 भी क्यों डिक्लेयर कर दो सीधा फाइनल.
The thing with Anand is he is very good with his captains. Means last 30 मैच से ही मैं आनंद को देख रहा हूँ. उसने कम से कम 10 या 12 मैच में उसके कैप्टन चले ही हैं, मतलब हैंड्स डाउन चले. द पीक ऑफ ईशान किशन फॉर द लास्ट मैच, इट वाज ब्रिलियंट. इट वाज अदर वे अराउंड फॉर मी. मतलब टुडे आई हैव कैप्टन एंड वाइस कैप्टन हर्षल पटेल एंड आवेश खान who picked 3 wickets in each and every match. Today combined they took 1 wicket.
What happened with KKR also in UAE? His points from wickets are far higher.
जब आप ग्रुप पे डालते हो ना कि when I have my player playing and you write he is going to be mom, उसी next over में आउट हो जाता है वो बंदा. So I only hope that the next 4 matches you're traveling so much and you're working so hard that you don't get to watch the match. And you don't know when my players are playing, so that you don't put that nazar wala message.
Last match में फाइनल मैच जब होगी ना, तब आनंद उदयबान से मुझे नहीं लगता 100 पॉइंट से ज्यादा पीछे होगा. He will definitely going to come that close.
Off late, if you see, there are 15-16 wickets that are falling, or say 13 to 16 wickets that are falling every game. You should try to capitalize on 7 or 8 wickets at least, because that's equivalent to somebody scoring 125.
I'm not a Maxwell. I can't do these reverse sixes and paddle shots and all. I like to play straight drives and cover drives. So for me, I don't know how I'm going to do it.
But for Udayban ji, I have a simple suggestion. Udayban ji, आप जैसे टीम ले रहे हो वैसे लीजिए. As close to Anand's speaking style as possible if you are there. Even if you're getting same points, you're safe.
One suggestion to Anand: keep play like Dhoni. Take the match as deep as possible. Right now with what Yashwant has told now, whatever you have to do, you do it in finals. So you might take Shivam Mavi in the final and you leave a player like Loki Ferguson out. And Shivam Mavi taking 4 wickets and Loki Ferguson going for 40 runs, that will give you 250 points. Last ball 6 के लिए ही try करना. उसके पहले अगर कुछ भी करने जाओगे ना तो 2 बॉल 2 छक्के मारने पड़ेंगे, which is highly impossible. 1 ball 6 is possible, जो आज अपन ने देखा.
मैं दोनों से यही कहूंगा, जो भी टीम बनानी है बनाओ. कैप्टन वाइस कैप्टन मुझसे जरा पूछ लेना. अगर मैं भी वो कैप्टन और वाइस कैप्टन रख रहा हूँ, उनको मत रखना. वो कोई पॉइंट नहीं देंगे, नेगेटिव मार्किंग हो जाएगी. मेरे साथ पिछले 3 हफ्तों में यही हो रहा है.
उदय बैन को तो यही कहना चाहूंगा, द वे ही इज प्लेइंग, बट जस्ट प्ले, डोंट लिसन टू एनीवन, डोंट लिसन टू एनीवन's advice,
No
because he is
suggestions.
no suggestion. He is having his own way of thinking. He thinks very
Correct.
differently.
फैंटेसी क्रिकेट के इस मैदान में मुकाबला मजेदार होता हुआ नजर आ रहा है और हमें जल्दी ये भी पता चल जाएगा कि कौन जीत रहा है सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी 2. But for now, let's talk about a couple of interesting matches that we will be seeing in the playoffs.
सीएसके जिस तरह से हार रही है ना, वो एक प्रिपेयर्ड टीम नहीं लग रही है.
After Faf and Gaikwad, you kind of have nobody in form at the moment. Moeen Ali has completely looked out of touch, and he's not bowling. Dhoni's not giving him the ball, and then the onus again falls on Jadeja at the end. So that middle order is very worrisome, and unless Moeen Ali starts, showing some kind of thing at number 3, it's too much dependence on the top 2.
Hart says DC again just because of their amazing bowling lineup.
I'm not too sure about Rishabh Pant and Shreyas Iyer. They keep going back and forth at 3 and 4.
DC is having 4 or 5 left-handers in their top 8. So they nullify the threat of Jadeja. So Jadeja couldn't bowl his 4 over against DC. He never bowled 4 overs against DC in last 4 seasons.
If it is swinging, then Char is on top and then CSK is winning. It's all. घर पूरा मैं yellow paint करूँगा.
Actually, I want to see Virat Kohli kicking butt of bowlers. मतलब every ball should go out of the stadium. मेरा यही काम है.
With Ferguson coming back in, they just look a whole completely different lineup. See, it's a simple case of KKR's bowling versus RCB's batting. That department that does better on the day will take the match away.
Two boogie teams playing each other on their day, they can be very destructive and they can be so mediocre that we will regret that why they qualified. मतलब ऐसा परफॉर्म दोनों कर सकती है. KKR ने अगर स्टार्ट अच्छा दे दिया ना, तो it will be very difficult for RCB to contain that batting lineup.
It's RCB for me. East Sal Cup nominated.
I don't want RCB to win even a single match. Right? It's
Same here.
so just
Big teams, big expectations. And अब समय हो गया है जुमलों की मुक्केबाजी का, as we discuss, dissect and try to answer the $1 million question कि कौन जीत रहा है इस साल का T20 चैंपियनशिप.
I'll go with the veterans. I think Chennai has got very good chances, only based on Dhoni's captaincy. मतलब उसके DRS वो कह रहे हैं कि ना उसके वो धोनी रिव्यू सिस्टम आजकल खराब चल रहा है, बट इट डजंट मैटर, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट धोनी के तो डिसीजन, एक डिसीजन वो गलत ले रहा है, खुद बैटिंग करने आ जाता है पहले. आई थिंक वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है कि मैं भी तो देखूं मैं खेल पाता हूं या नहीं खेल पाता हूं. सो दैट वाज द रीजन.
एक्चुअली वही रीजन है. दिमाग कह रहा है DC, दिल कह रहा है CSK. I will go with CSK.
My heart and my soul and everything else is going to be with Chennai because I'm a Chennai boy. But I just have that little bit of a tickle with RCB because I don't know. I have a gut feeling that says they'll do very well.
Who else is backing Chennai? कौन सोचा है कि चेन्नई जीतेगा इस बार? That's 3 of you. Okay, interesting.
My first team is Mumbai because I live in Mumbai and love the team, the way Mumbai plays. And if Mumbai is not playing, then in the whole tournament I will support CSK only. CSK is my favorite team other than Mumbai. Statistics says that 2 years before Delhi qualified for the playoff and lost their first game in the eliminator. Last year they qualified for the playoffs and reached the finals and they lost in the finals. So if this thing continues, then this time around they might win.
इस साल फिर कब जीत सकती है दिल्ली?
Chances पूरे सर, chances पूरे. I don't want to say that, I don't want to jinx it for them, but I think Delhi has got a very good chance. But I am backing Chennai, but they've got a very good chance. So अच्छे players, Iyer भी बैटिंग कर लेगा. So they've got a good team combination. Pant is a very big hitter. जैसी जरूरत पड़े वैसा कर सकता है. आवेश खान is in very good form. मतलब कोई player ऐसा नहीं है जो fit नहीं हो रहा है.
One more reason to back CSK is because they are a more seasoned team when it reaches playoffs. More often than not, they keep their calm. They know how to handle the pressure. I am not sure of a Rishabh Pant handling the pressure of a finals. His bowling changes, the pressure can get to somebody who's not that experienced. And on the other side, you have Captain Cool, it's just yet another finals for him.
I think the opposition that I would actually want to see is KKR. Because of 2 reasons. I think KKR has played the most exciting brand of cricket in this league. KKR has played the revelations of players that they've had.
By that,
Because-
are you trying to say that they have been the most out of the box team as far as the approach this year is concerned?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I think if there is one team that benefited the most because of the break, that was KKR. To get consistency out of a player like Gill in a T20 format, that is commendable. To not rely on Sunil Narayan again to kind of come and open. No other opener is working for you. That is again commendable. They've been able to do it. They've been able to dominate even without Russell being there in the last 3 games. If CSK is going through a direct route, then I would want to see a CSK KKR fight it out for the title.
एक बात जो सामने निकल के आ रही है, at least from this discussion so far, is that nobody is really seeing RCB going all the way.
Under a few of us want RCB to actually go and qualify and lift that cup and all of it, but we don't want to really say it.
The heartening fact is, if an RCB can make it to the top 4 or the top 3 without Kohli's performing and getting those runs, imagine if Kohli starts delivering in the next 2-3 games, then I don't think a KKR can stop them or a Delhi can stop them. I would love to see a CSK versus RCB final. That would be a dream final for me. Like, I would, pop open some beers, put my leg up and just enjoy the damn game, fantasy aside.
One might go to finals, but then they will break down there against cunning Chennai's captainship and everything. They will break down there.
Most of the votes go for a Chennai versus DC final, जिसमें Chennai जीत के आएगी. But if there is an aberration, then absolutely a Kolkata is like the extreme of the aberration where Kolkata can come and win the cup. But yes, even RCB has a fair chance as well. Till we meet again, eat cricket, sleep cricket, and of course, talk about cricket, because cricket is not just a game, it is the game.